always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand. It's hard.
Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is going to consist of a peanut butter fat bomb. It's a great snack, great dessert, or just a wonderful treat after a post-workout. So if you're interested to see how I make these peanut butter fat bombs, please keep watching. And by the way, I forgot to mention it's a great source of fat on the keto diet. So let's get started. Okay, for this recipe you're going to need vanilla, of course peanut butter, stevia, the organic kind, sugarless, MCT liquid premium coconut oil, unsweetened shredded coconut, cinnamon, and little patty pans in order to put the peanut butter fat bombs in to freeze. I'm going to add half a cup of the MCT liquid coconut oil, quarter of a cup of the coconut, 1 teaspoon of the vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of the cinnamon. I'm going to also add about a tablespoon of pepitas and also a tablespoon of sunflower seeds as well, just to give it some crunch. Now I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of the mixture in these little muffin patty containers. Now these will go into the freezer for about 2 hours, and once they set I'll show you exactly what they look like and I'll give it a taste test. So there you have it, my peanut butter coconut fat bombs. And I've just come back from the gym and I'm going to try it out. Absolutely delicious. So on that note everybody, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and click the notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I'm going to finish my fat bomb. I think I deserve it. So I'll see you in my next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.